Hello everyone and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. Happy Easter to all that are celebrating today. Hope you are having an amazing day. So while the bathroom series is still on, we started to think about a bigger project for the bathroom, which we will be sharing in the next videos. For today, I would like to share 2 spring Easter decor ideas. One is mainly for the spring lovers. I love the period when nature is blooming. So let's start with this one, and if you are celebrating Easter, there is something for you too. So let's start. This decor idea is based on flowers and how beautiful they look in your home. I picked pink and purple, a bit of blush, and even some romantic vibes. The items used are from potpourris to candles, the succulent mini plants, and yes, some fake flowers. I know what you're going to say, and you are right. Real flowers are way better, but for the decor, I prefer the fake ones as they are low maintenance. I really wanted to share these decorative ceramic piers. I absolutely love them. Can you guess where I got them from? It wasn't the store that you will normally go to buy home stuff. More like everyday needing stuff. Leave your comments below. Let me see if you can actually guess this. I think from a decorating point of view, these quotes are not in trend anymore. But as long as they bring you joy and they uplift your spirit, do what your heart desires. Seeing all the items come together in such a beautiful decorative way, it's just like a happy spring moment for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Moving on to the Easter decor, but first of all, I would like to ask for a bit of support. Click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when a new video is launched. I would really appreciate it. Okay, back to our decor, and hello to Easter. This will only be just for the table area. I would like to keep it simple and probably keep more spring than Easter, as Easter goes away in a few days, while the home decor spring inspired, I'm able to keep for much longer time. Now, I don't have the actual Easter table prepared. It would have looked even better most probably. We are not spending Easter at home, but it is nice to have something festive to come back to. This was it for now. I will be uploading the bathroom series video in the next days. Have a happy Easter and have a great day. Thank you for watching. All the best from Small Fabulous Home.